Welcome to Juicy Cars. My name is Eric and today we are going for a POV test drive here in this new 2025 Cadillac Escalade Sport Platinum. So this is the top trim aside from the V. Obviously it has a 6.2 liter V8, newly refreshed, new exterior design, new interior design. As we can see, our lights flashing in with that beautiful animation. Yeah, we're gonna go for a city POV test drive here in beautiful spring weather, Toronto. But as always, of course, if you do want to see a full review, because this is more for you to kind of gauge and get your own opinion, if you want to see our opinion on this new 2025 Escalade, just click in the top right hand corner for a full review. With that being said, let's take a look inside. Nice thing now, doors are motorized, so if I just give it a shove, they open all the way. Obviously, it's an Escalade, so plenty of room in the back. Second row, captain's chairs. Third row, plenty of space, even for an adult. Yep, I could ride in here, but we want to drive. Let's go right back. Doors are also motorized for closing, so just give it a shove, and they close. So let's hop on in. Close it, and it soft closes. There we go. And start her up. So inside, obviously, we have this 55-inch screen up top with a passenger screen. That one is polarized, so once we have a passenger sitting there, I can actually not see it anymore as a passenger, as a driver, which is really cool. This screen now here to control all sorts of things, so like our vent speed, and let's put heated seats, heated steering wheel on. We got massage. We're not going to put that on right now though, because it does make some sounds, and that might be a little irritating for you guys. So we can keep it like that. Gauge cluster is super customizable. Android Auto integrates very nicely. We have night vision, which we're going to test in a separate POV test drive. Got our AR camera, but let's put just Google Maps on here, because that's quite handy. Okay, but without further ado, I will be mostly quiet, just occasionally chiming in, and I'll let you enjoy the drive. Just put in drive by putting it towards you and down, and off we go. So we can maybe go for a little acceleration right here. The mode button on the left allows us to switch into sport mode. Obviously it's not the V, so we ain't got 600 something horsepower, 680 or something. We just have the regular naturally aspirated 6.2, but still got all the power you need. Now we got the AR camera here, so if you were to navigate, even with Android Auto or anything like that, you'll have your instructions basically shown here, so there'd be arrows pointing to the right if we were to turn right into this street here. Well, if our navigation would say that, we're going to do that and turn right. Okay, you, of course, yeah, indicate left and then just go straight. That's not dangerous at all. Turn off start stop. view. Take a quick peek here at the night vision or thermal camera. Like I said, we're going to do a night POV test drive for this. Will be much more useful, but even now you should be able to much more easily spot pedestrians. It is somewhat small, but hey, better than nothing. Not sure if you can actually see it right now, but it is there. Stop in this parking lot here. Plenty of room for us to take one last look at the Escalade. Just pull her in. Okay, and that is a POV test drive in the 2025 Cadillac Escalade. Now the air suspension will lower itself and lower the Escalade. As you can see, this touchscreen is both controllable, well, via touch, and with the dial down here, which is a quite nice dial, I think, if you take a look at it. And with that, let's turn her off. Phone and charger, that is correct, but we're gonna leave that. And like I said, if you want to see a full review, it should be on your screen right now, or check out some of our other POV test drives of this 2025 Cadillac Escalade. Thank you for watching, hope you liked it, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.